Poliisi mu district ya KAsese yanagisa abaturage omuntu uba batiro marage mpungu okubasa kubana bamutanyagura kandi no bamwita kandi abaturage aba bantu benda gukoresha hagareki n'abaturage banyakasanga West erukushanga mu KAsese municipality ubwo barikushobora bari kugira ngo nyakwatwogu akabasa kuba nagure ibintu byenshuma okurga handa chumazire izatahira makagabantu okurga mu Gaza strip kandi izi zikatahira makagabantu nyeciro zabasa kubana zigahenda
polisi we yamutute nemuleka ebizibiti ebirala nabikweka
Umunyamakuru witu arikugezaho kugamba n'umugambirizi wa polisi aho bwarwenzori East Region SP Lukumbusa nashobora kugira ngo amakagaruka 20 nubwo gabasize kubana gatahirwa ikire kitira mabega kandi gatahirirwa ntacumazire okurwa mu Gaza strip.
We received many clients, some local people coming from areas of Nyakasanga, basically Nyakasanga in KAsese municipality, reporting that their shops, saloons have been broken by thieves. And that's what we term as house breaking and theft or burglaries. It is true when they reached in that place of Nyakasanga, they found many shops and saloons were really broken into by wrongdoers.
Mbusa nagira ngo bwa hati barahona bakora ibikwekweto birukumara mu KAsese municipality kandi nahiga abaturage okugira ngo bahababera ubwo wena uba kubasa kureba batarukwitegereza umucanga cyabo ukubasa kumaraho imihondano nkeji.
Our business communities in KAsese that they should remain vigilant because we have reached Christmas season and this Christmas season is many criminals are looking now for money in order to get money to celebrate Christmas. They have organized themselves in gangs. Accidents is likely to increase. Then also the criminals of every type of nature. We have arrested some suspects who will help police in investigation. We are calling upon those people who are arrested, at least we have recovered a few things with them that can help us to know they were in a company of which people. But because of not diluting our investigations, we cannot talk about their names, but we are investigating.
Moses Kataba kandori mukuru w'entebe yo kubanza ahubwe cyangeki hamwe na Jafari Kigutiha urukujwekera aba best camp lawasel bashobora bari kugira ngo bashange byo kunywa bitari bimwe na bimwe omunju ya Joyce Mbambu Kandogu Orlando Road owamaju agarukuturwamo bakamanda ba Gaza
habo kuba irukirege kandi bamusanga ari kuri nambera twasanga ibintu abantu twatekereza mu kikao cyo twamutekerezamu twatekereza ati umuntu nasobora kubabera agireyo kwihaye ibintu ebi nabwe cyo twarora munjuye twasanga busa mu kintu na kimwe cyonka nambera bamukwatiro kubanza twasanga aliyo kureti nabwe cyo abo busobozi bacwamu okulindo bwomezibwe mu bantu batamutera n'amabali bacwamu kababanze bamulindire mu nkomo no kubagumene bakaguliriza n'abandi abayirukire nabo tujya kubakoliza mpora
kitegeza nti ate kinuma nnyo bwe baba kutto mubbi abantu nga bamwera likiride government ine kiragiro kya preventive arrest ono bwakwatibwa ne bamutane bagamba genda okole emirimu gi omukago gwe bayina wakati baabwe ne mbabbi bano tebitegereka mbadde nsaba DPC KAsese osi w'ekizungu immediately amazeyo banga kakitegera nti ababbi batanse muwaji lwero kinyiziza nyonyo naye nsimye tusobodde kukwatako kureti 5 n'ebirala ebintu ebyabalala ebiri mu nju.
Poliisi mu district ya KAsese nogera bene koro bucweka ihembe bwashesha bwira okurebeka ngu yamarraho cyarumwe abahekera abagaza strip abantu aba bakindukire district ya KAsese akabare ko mu nkito amakoraga gashakwa Gerard Muhindo abwa Sky TV agenshonga omuri Kasese.